So guys, I encourage you this year, try to go to the gym. We have to build lean muscle, this year through weightlifting or resistance exercise. Kasi you know what? Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat. So it increases your overall metabolism. Kaya it's really so important that this year make it a point that you exercise. It includes compound movements like squat, deadlifts, and bench presses. Naku, napaka-importante nun. Kaya ako, tignan nyo, pinapalaki ko ang aking mga biceps. So after you go to the gym, sabayan mo pa yan ng high protein diet. Because protein increases satiety, tapos it reduces hunger, and it helps prevent muscle mass during weight loss. So ang aim natin per day is for about at least 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily yan. So one more advice guys, this year, we have to reduce refined carbs and sugars. Kasi when you cut back on refined carbs and sugary foods, it helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, encouraging fat burning. Diba? So, kailangan dahil ako, for example, mahilig ako sa matatamis. I have to cut back a little bit. Tapos I have to replace them with whole foods, yung mga whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Yan, the best yung mga yan. So try to stay active throughout the day. You have to make sure to incorporate more movement outside of workouts, such as walking, into exercise, taking the stairs, hindi naman kayo pumunta sa gym, kahit sa mga hagdan lang, gano'n, up and down, or doing household chores. At least active ka during the day. Kaya those are great tips na masasabi ko sa inyo kung gusto yung ma-achieve yung goal nyo na pumayat at maging healthy. This 2025, nagawa namin, so alam ko kaya nyo gawin. And get enough sleep as well. 7 to 9 hours to regulate hormones, that control hunger and fat storage. That's another one. One more thing. Stay hydrated as water aids metabolism and fat breakdown. Just be consistent and patient. Dapat you have a sustainable habits. If you have those lead to a long-term result. Kaya dapat be consistent, be sustainable sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo every day if you want to achieve your goals this 2025 and want to stay healthy.